Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be working on my E39 528, and the one thing in particular that we're going to be doing is fixing the trim lists, because I feel like those are chrome right now and I don't like chrome that much. I'm not going to remove them or take them off. I'm simply going to take tape and mascate around them, and then I have bought some black Plastidip, which you see right here. It's quite a cheap one, but it was around 16 euros or something like that. So I will have no primer and no clear coat afterwards, just this. So I will take some Scotch Brite and lightly go over them before we start. With some Scotch Brites looking like this. Pretty excited to get these black, so it will be like a Shadowline look for the E39. And with the touring, I mean, you have a lot of lists. I don't like that this is like gray and the chrome is like kind of the same color, but it's not. So I think it would be much better with getting the black lists on both sides. I don't have that much experience with Plastidip, so I'm really curious to see how this will turn out. This is a fast and cheap solution if you just want black trim lists on the outside. Okay, so the idea with Plastidip is that you should have even thin coats or layers. You should not have thick layers at all. You should just have thin layers and let that like dry, and then you should wait about 15 minutes and then do a couple more. So I think I'll go for like 3-4 layers, I don't know. I'm not that experienced with this. Like, this is a beater. We'll just try to do this as fast and simple as possible. I should maybe have bought regular black paint, clear coat, primer, all that stuff, but we will try the quickest way possible and see if that works. Okay, here goes nothing. Remember to always have like speed when you are putting pressure, because right now the first spot I started at right there, already too much paint, so no good. So I like speed and then start. I stopped in 2 places. Not good. Clearly not a professional. The idea is just to get rid of the chrome. I mean, this is a beater. So understand that. This is not a clean example of an E39. It's a decent one. So with black lists, like Shadowline kind of look, it will look better, I hope, when it's dry outside. I was kind of unlucky, or I'm unprofessional, I don't know. I'm not professional, so yeah, this is not perfect at all. Hopefully it will look a lot better than stock chrome looking trim lists. Let's have high hopes. I think with the coat number 2 and 3 it will look a lot better. Okay, 3rd coat, maybe the last coat, I don't know, but maybe. It is starting to look a lot better than it did after the 1st coat. The 2nd coat really did a lot. Yeah, time to start painting on this side. First coat is always the worst, I have experienced, so the 2nd and 3rd coats a lot better. This is how it is looking after 3 coats of Plastidip black paint. It looks all right. It will have to dry for a couple of hours. I think this is looking quite good, and compared to like 1 coat, which is right here, it's not looking that good. Yeah, you see here, it's not that even. So with 2 and then 3 coats, it's a lot better. One thing that's currently broken on the car, the button under here does not work anymore. So the way to work your way around that is that you can open this, and then you have to open these, and then there's a I can show you. So like an emergency right there. You can just pull this one and it will open. That's a good thing to know for an E39. And also, pretty cool that we have the original toolkit from E39 from 1999, including the BMW cloth right here. Pretty cool, I like that. Not often that you see like the toolkit in this good shape. I mean, that I don't know if something is missing, maybe over here it seems like something is missing, I don't know. But to see it in this nice condition, I like that. That's kind of rare. It's cool. One very positive thing about using Plastidip is that I have a lot of, you see it like that, I don't know if you can see it, but I have 2 black spots right there, because it simply takes some paper and just remove it, because it's Plastidip, so it goes off, it peels off very easily. With regular paint you could not do that. That is also the reason why I did not mask it that much. Or actually, I'm not being honest, that's not the truth at all. The reason I did not mask it is because I bought 1 roll of tape and I went out. So it's just pure luck that I got the car that I needed. But it just, very luckily for me, I can use paper and just remove the paint here and there. So that's very good. Comes down to the motion you're having while painting. On this side I did have really bad. I mean, when I started, I just then started. You should start with having speed and then apply paint, because I had a couple of spots which were really heavy, a lot of paint at the same spot. That's no good. So the motion is really good. Don't go too fast and don't go like too slow either. You should press, stop, stop, start again and start pressing. And do that all the way. Now, time to take off that tape. My experience with Plastidip is that if you wait too long to take the tape off, you can often rip the paint off with it. So you should do it while it's still wet. So I don't know if I'm too late now or if this is the perfect time. So I will take it off. Hopefully I will not rip the paint off with the tape. Hopefully. What? Factory option, Shadowline?
Factory Shadowline.
Factory option! Nice. I like that. I mean, it looks good from far away, but far from good looking. I'm just kidding. It looks decent. I'm not saying it looks very good, but it looks alright. I'm happy. I mean, compared to before when we had the chrome, it looks a lot better. This car is coming along. I'm still waiting on those headlights. I bought them used, I paid the guy, I'm waiting for him to send them. He has not sent them yet. It's been like 2-3 weeks now, but hopefully we'll send them soon. Or I'm getting ripped off, I don't know. I don't know what I will do with the interior. I said in the first video with this car I will have like these maybe in carbon fiber or something, but now I don't know. I think maybe I will just... I like it how it is. I mean, it's alright. I like it.
Now 2 days later, and it's time to look at the car and see if
is it a good idea to plastic dip those trimlets, or should I just paint them the regular way with maybe primer, paint and clear coat, or just paint and clear coat? That could have been an idea as well. From far away it's looking actually not that bad. I mean, looking from here, it's looking all right, it's looking good. But when you're getting closer, you see there is a couple of spots. I mean, there and there are kind of bad. There it's bad. I found a couple of spots right there, and it's the same on the other side. So yeah, it's not perfect. So I would actually conclude with plastic dipping is not such a good idea. The only thing I could have done differently so the result would be better, if to not take the tape that close to the list. I should have taken it a little bit, like have a little bit more distance, because see right there, there's a black area over the list. This is not the list, this is just a black area. So I could have had the tape just around here and painted that also black, because when I had it this close right here, when I pulled off, I also pulled off the paint on the list. That's the point of plastic dip, that you can just peel it off. So that is kind of a bummer and kind of sucks. If I did mascate the way I did, I could have just used regular paint and then clear coat afterwards. So that kind of sucks, but I mean, it looks a lot better than it did before. Here you will see how it did look before with the chrome lists, and I think it looks a lot better now with the black right here. So maybe in the future I will also do the same with these ones, not plastic dip. I think I will just have regular paint on those, so they will look a lot better, because of course I like my cars to be like clean and good looking, and I mean, this is decent looking. I'm medium plus happy with the results. Could have gone a lot better, but also could have been a lot worse. Let me see on the, oh yeah, you see here? That's some bad spots right there, and I see something up here. No good. I haven't thought about it, but I just realized my E34 actually have already painted trim lists, because it looks like this guy has used regular paint, and over the years it has like gone away a little bit. You can see those white spots right there, or chrome spots right there. But yeah, I haven't thought about that, but it looks pretty cool. I don't like chrome that much. Cool. It's Saturday now, and I am currently home in quarantine because I took the corona test yesterday, and I'm waiting on replies for that test. Hopefully that's a negative test, so I can go out and celebrate Christmas with my family. Someone I know have got the coronavirus, so I just want to be careful and take the precautions that I need. So that's why I took the tests, just to be safe, just to know, because I don't want to go out amongst people and then I might have it. I don't want to do that. So yeah, stay safe everybody. It's really important that we keep our distance, and yeah, just be safe. So the only thing I will be doing outside today is film this video for you guys, just in my driveway right here. And I'll go in, edit this video, and you will be watching this on Sunday hopefully. And like I said, take care of each other, and yeah, we just have to be careful. And I'm really curious to see how this summer will be. Hopefully the coronavirus will almost be gone and we can start to live a normal life again. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I am really stoked about my E39 and that daily project I have right here. I feel that this car is just getting better and better, and I'm like, for every minute I spend behind the wheel of this car, I start liking it more and more. It's such a good feeling driving a comfortable E39, which can drift and skid really good when I just pop the clutch with that welded diff. It drifts so good. So I'm really happy about that, but yet it's also so comfortable when I'm just driving slow and driving normally on the streets. So I'm really happy about that, and yeah, really nice with that torquey M52 B28 engine that we have in here. So yeah, I really like that. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and subscribe if you did like the video. Follow me on TikTok at FaderFilms that I just created, and follow me on Instagram at FaderFilms, and yeah, I will see you guys later. Goodbye. Damn, that looks a lot better. Oh, why didn't I just twist that filter?